This instructional video will demonstrate how to set up your new Kyocera P2235dw printer. Open the box and locate the bag that contains the manuals and DVD. Remove the machine from the box and place it on a flat surface. Remove all packing tape. Press this button to open the front cover and pull this piece of tape and remove the yellow cardboard instruction sheet. Remove the cartridge by pressing this blue button. And gently shake it back and forth 5 or 6 times. Return the cartridge to the machine and rotate it so these two arrows are facing each other. You should hear an audible click when the cartridge is secure. Close the front cover. Plug the power cable into the back of the printer. Power on the printer by pressing the power button found on the lower right front of the machine. Allow the machine to run its startup sequence. This may take up to 10 minutes to complete, so please be patient. The machine will be ready for the next steps when the power indicator light is solid.